I want you to picture this. You need jewelry and you walk into a large, beautiful jewelry boutique. They have jewels of all kinds, designs, and utility. They have so much that you're spoiled for choice and can't make up your mind on what you want. That's when you look around for someone to help you. A salesperson who is well versed with the products that his store has to offer and also has the experience in dealing with clients and their needs. You need help to figure out and zero in on exactly what you're looking for. But if nobody comes to help you out, what are you gonna do? You're there with all the jewelry in the world, but no one to help you find what you want. You don't have all day, so you do the inevitable. You leave. And that's what's happening to your business. Surprised? I wouldn't be. You have the greatest solution to cater to your niche. You've gone all out to promote it. You've done the social media marketing. You've invested in the advertisements. You've built these beautiful landing pages and websites. And you know you've spent a fortune to build this stuff. But you didn't do it to see your customers walk away. And the reason they walked away was because of one simple thing. They had no help. They came to your website, they liked what they saw, and the last thing they needed was the expert advice to help them make their decisions. You weren't there to help your prospects who want to become your clients. And that's the biggest mistake you're making. But I'm not gonna let you make any more. That's why I've brought to you ReplyTap to help plug in that leak in your leads. ReplyTap is a highly specialized 24/7 sales and support assistant, helping close sales for you and providing instant support to your customers, all while you live the good life. It's the perfect customer retention strategy that adds in an injection of sales and revenue into your business. How does it do that? Well, simply, ReplyTap is a chat assistant that pops up as soon as your prospects land on your website. ReplyTap makes sure that their sales experience keeps them coming back for more. Your prospects will love the interactivity, and ReplyTap will plug those leaks to your success. Here are a few of ReplyTap's outstanding features. Multi-purpose chat widget, simplifying the process from buy now to checkout. Audio calling to your clients, that too without any third-party interface. That means just your agent and your client, with complete confidentiality. You build their confidence and they will build your brand. Broadcast messages to all web visitors in one stroke, whether it's a flash sale that's coming to an end or an offer or contest that you're announcing. Just type it and broadcast it to all your online web visitors in one simple click. Video calling. Even the biggest names in the world markets have not yet included this feature in their engagement strategy. Be the first to start with this revolution. Co-browsing features to sort the problem out remotely in real time. Now, is there anyone who doesn't like to sit back and watch his problems vanish? There's also the opportunity to create a knowledge base to help you create a know-how directory to your product, preempting your customers' issues and providing them with answers and solutions. There's no better way to show your customers that you care. ReplyTap also has intro and exit video templates, different chat templates to choose from, advanced analytics in the dashboard, prepared hashtag-based canned responses, inland typing, and a lot more. All these features combined make the best sales experience your clients can have on the World Wide Web. It's the perfect little push your prospects need to become your clients. And the best part is, you don't even need to be there. Your agents can do this for you while you live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Once you get your hands on ReplyTap, the sky's the limit. You get sales on steroids in no time at all. This is the perfect gift you can give your business. No more struggling with traffic. You have the power to write your own huge success story, and you can do it now. So go right ahead and tap the Buy Now button. I'll see you in the members area.
Hello and welcome to ReplyTap demonstration. Now in this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of walkthrough to show you everything that you can do with this platform. And let me just say this is an excellent list building tool that also allows you to communicate with your customers either via live chat on the sales page or within your applications, or also on opt-in pages. And I don't have to tell you how good that can be for your conversions. It also helps you do video chats as well as live screen sharing with your audience if so you choose on one-on-one calls. Plus, it also has an inbuilt knowledge base and support desk with support for multiple agents, multiple virtual assistants in your team. Now let me go ahead and show you from the very beginning how you can use and create ReplyTap for yourself. So let's go ahead and create a new campaign. Now in this case, I'm going to start with a ReplyTap demo. And let's say in this case, our company is between 10 to 25 employees because we have a lot of developers working on this platform. Let's go ahead and create our new campaign. Now it'll take about a couple of minutes to set everything up, but once you do that, you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and pick our country. There we go. Now, chat settings is where you basically give people a default welcome message when they land on your page. So your default welcome message could be something as simple as, hey, welcome to this page, we're here to help you. Just let us know how we can do that. And then you can either show that message immediately or after say 10 to 15 seconds. And then you can also enable video chat as well as the powered by button if you want to keep this button in place. So let me enable video chat right now, and I'm going to disable this, and let me fill in some other settings too. And we are done. Let me show you a real example of what this would actually look like. So let me refresh this page. And you'll see right over here, there is a live chat pop-up that shows up immediately. It's a different website, but when I click over here, you can see there's a welcome video where this lady is talking about the fact that our support agents are not available right now, but they can leave a message. And then someone on the other end can start either a text chat or a video chat as well. So let's go back into ReplyTap and continue configuring everything. Once we're done with this, we can choose an appearance, what kind of chat box we want to show. So I'm going to choose this one in this case. Let's save and continue. And then this is a bit more advanced thing, but if you are trying to get ReplyTap to work with different software that you have out there, then you need to focus on this. But again, I wouldn't worry too much about it. Go ahead and check out the tutorials for this when you come across it. The next thing you need to do is add new team members. So I'm going to add a couple of team members in, and you'll see how easy that is. So there are two kinds of access. One is full access and one is restricted access. Restricted access means that these people can only use the chat feature. So my support staff can come in and handle the chat, but full access means that they now have the same permissions as I do as admin of this platform. Then when you're happy with it, click on next, and you will get two scripts. The first script is the one that you can include on your page once, where you don't know who your audience coming in is. So these are the pages where your members are not logged in. Your sales pages, your opt-in pages, your checkout pages, whatever. As long as you don't have the email address, you can use this chat script. But when you do have one, so for example, inside the members area where you already know some information like what's the member name, let's say what kind of courses they have already accessed and how far they've gotten with their courses, this is the chat option that you need to use. Once you embed it, this is exactly what it will look like. It'll be very easy to operate from the end user point of view, and for you as well, it will be easy to see. Now I want to show you how easy it is to handle the video chat and the text chat as an agent as well as a customer. So this is one of the pages that we have ReplyTap enabled on. Let me click here, and again, this is the video that plays automatically. and I'm going to choose in this case video chat. So now as an audience, as an end user, I have activated video chat, as you can see over here, and I'm second in the queue. So let me head back over to this page where I'm also the agent. So let me just refresh this. And you don't need to refresh it at all. I'm just doing it so you can see changes in real time. So I can do this and see. Now we have 2 calls waiting for us. This is one of the ones that I started earlier. So I'm going to click on answer call, and now I'll be able to basically communicate with the end user live using camera feed. I don't have camera feed connected at the moment, but once I do this, I'll be able to talk to the user who's trying to communicate with me via video chat. As an agent, me or my team can see this option when they're logged in. It starts flashing and shows 1 or a higher number. Same way the text chat. If someone tries to initiate a text chat, my agents can handle that as well. Again, there are other platforms that offer the same feature but come nowhere near. The other thing that ReplyTap has enabled is the knowledge base. The knowledge base is very powerful because when you're dealing with support, when you're dealing with your audience, you want to be able to provide answers to them even during the weekend or even during the time that you or your team might not be available. Of course, you can't work 24 hours a day, in which case a knowledge base helps answers critical questions. So your customers, your audience can click on these and understand exactly how your platform, your membership sites, your software platforms, or other things work. This is a great way to assimilate all the knowledge that pertains to your business in one place so people can come and find and seek answers even before they log a support ticket with you. Now let me continue and show you a few more things inside of ReplyTap. So when I click over here, this is our main dashboard where I can see how many visitors are on our page currently, how many users are online, and how many users have registered, how many visitors have registered, and where they're coming from. Right now, no one's waiting to talk with me. That's okay, because I want to do this video as well. Then I can also go into conversations and see what conversations have already taken place. If I show you another campaign, let me show you this one. There you can see some more data. There we go. So if I jump in here into conversations, you'll see that some conversations have already happened and I see a lot of information about these users. I can see their names, I can see the email addresses, I can see when I first saw them and their last seen details. I can see the city, state, country, and geolocation. This is really good because in real time, when these people start talking to you, you know what part of the world they're coming in from. So if you're advertising, if you're running any kind of paid traffic, you know where to target your ideal user. And then you can also see a list of all your subscribers. And remember what I said earlier, it is a great way to build your list as well. Anytime someone chooses to talk with you and leaves their email address, you build a list. And you can search through user data using name, email, phone number, and other details as well. The other option that you can also use with ReplyTap is the ability to send a broadcast email to one or multiple users based on these conditions. So if you want to target users who have only shown up to the membership sites in the last 30 days, you can do that. If you want to target those that have not showed up for the last 30 days, you can target them as well, making it easy for you to communicate with your audience. The other feature we have in here is the knowledge base. The knowledge base is what I showed you earlier. You can add new categories, you can add some text and images and even videos to make sure that your customers are able to get their questions answered faster even before they reach out to the support desk. It's very easy to add new content. You can either add new directories as you see there and subcategories, and then when you're ready you can start adding new content under each one. The settings tab is what I showed you earlier at the beginning of this video, and then you also have link to tutorials in this case within ReplyTap. So again, very easy to use, and it makes it simple for you to communicate with your audience to make sure that you are able to answer each and every question that they throw at you even when you're not available. And the most important thing for me is that when you're working with high-end customers, when you're working with your coaching clients, you will be able to even do video chats as well as live screen sharing. So they'll be able to see your screen and you'll be able to see their screen as well, if so you choose. This is how easy it is to use ReplyTap.